back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you for stopping by, guys.
Jason's here.
Yay.
Yay. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the April Boxycharm. Why is it so tiny?
May.
Oh, yes, this is the May Boxycharm. Thank you. But why is it so little? Why is it so tiny?
Why are you always saying that to me all the time, dude? Yes. Zinger.
Zinger. So, it's really tiny. But I have high hopes because it is my favorite subscription box. So this is $25 a month US. And it has between 5 and 7 full-size items. And I think it's supposed to be valued at $100 or more. So, let's see if this tiny box has $100 or more worth of stuff in it.
It's got gold bars.
Oh, it doesn't feel like it has gold bars. It's got some stuff though. Alright, we're cutting away from our scans. And here's our tiny little box. Alright, so the theme is flourish. That's pretty. And then on the back it'll have all of our products and the price of them. Without looking. Don't look. So we'll pull out this big box first.
Is it all skincare?
It doesn't look to be.
That says...
Hey, honey.
Okay, sorry.
Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. I love a good facial scrub.
What's a propolis?
I don't know what a propolis is. Did I say that right? Propolis?
I don't know. Let me read it. Looks like that's what you say.
Purifies and exfoliates with dissolving salt crystalline minerals. Ooh. This will be good for our skins, Jason. Oh, it's bee propolis. Propolis. I don't know what that is. But it's a nice size. It's 70 mils or 2.2 fluid ounces. Should we try it? Should we feel what it feels like?
Smell it. Smell it. Now taste it. It's gonna like...
I know. It always does. Oh, it's nice and gritty. Oh, it smells nice. Does it smell like honey?
Kind of looks like honey.
Here, let me rub this on your skin. It smells like fruit cocktail.
Yeah, some kind of fruit, like a mango maybe.
Yeah. So that is our first thing.
It's about the consistency of honey with like
grit
salt
in it,
I guess.
Yeah. I'm gonna taste it.
It smells like mangoes.
I'm gonna taste it.
You should.
It doesn't taste good. Oh, it's very salty.
You shouldn't have done that.
Oh.
You shouldn't have done that. Okay.
Okay.
Moving along.
Next thing. Next thing we have is this box from First Aid Beauty, which is a great skincare product. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. Coconut Skin Smoothie Moisturizer creates a smooth canvas that's perfectly prepped for makeup and no makeup days. Lovely. I love the smell of coconut. Don't know, Jason.
5 things in there.
Well, it's supposed to be 5 to 7.
Okay.
Got a safety seal on it. Every time I don't check, it doesn't have one. Every time I do, no. Every time I don't check, it has one. Yes. I don't know.
Oh, I knew that was going to happen. And it smells like...
Oh, it smells lovely. Here, you take a little bit. It's for smelling. So it it's a little tinted. Smells really good.
This is just a lotion or whatever, right?
It's a moisturizer, but a priming moisturizer. So works into the skin really nice. Smells really good. So this is for your face, Jason. If you wanted to have
I kind of mixed it with that other stuff, and it made some kind of powerful mixture.
Are you invincible now? You probably smell really good.
I smell like mangoes and whatever the scent of that is. I don't know what the scent.
Coconut.
Okay.
All right, next. Next up is from Beauty Creations. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. You got a priming moisturizer and a primer, so that might be a bit of overkill. Come on, guys. Hydrates, brightens.
What's a primer?
It's
opens your skins to the moisture reception.
No, it opens. It closes it up for a smoother canvas when you put on.
When you put on your stuff.
Like you know how every time I wear foundation, it goes into my giant nose pores.
So this stuff prevents that.
Well, for most people it does. For me, I haven't found one that works. Okay. It's a really nice packaging, though. Fresh, oil-free, dewy finish. I like a dewy finish. I don't like to look too matte. Remember that last bottle I had to like prime like 27 times?
It just means the mechanism was empty and hasn't been used. That's a good thing, I think.
Okay, so it is not tinted.
And the scent?
Like maybe like a summertime beachy scent. Oh, there goes that box.
Beachy, summertime, exactly.
It feels really nice. It does give a dewy finish. So, there's that.
Did you say Dewey Cox on camera?
No, I didn't, but now it's on camera. Dewey Cox, that's a funny movie.
Yes.
So from Ciate, London, ooh, that's nice packaging. A shadow flip, multi-chromatic shifting liquid eyeshadow in the shade Ember. I like a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, wow.
Is it sparkly? Oh, it's like those cars with the different.
Yeah, it's multi-chrome, so.
Trichromatic.
I think it's more than tri. I could see red, orange, yellow. I could see all the colors of the rainbow in there. It's got a little bit of a separation there in the middle. That's going to look so cool, though.
You're going to glow in the dark.
I already do.
So what do you do with that stuff? Put it on your eyeballs?
Yeah.
Oh, right on the white?
Yes, on the white.
Is it glistening in the moonlight?
It's mostly, you can just mostly...
It goes
there
green
we go.
and bronze and kind of gunmetal blue, I guess. Pretty awesome.
This is awesome. I want to put it on top of my eyeshadow.
Not right now.
Why not?
Because we got better things to do with our time than watch.
I don't have anything. No, nobody has anything better to do than watch videos and fail at it miserably.
Okay.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, good job. That's very close to the eyeball. You should probably do it on both eyes, eh?
I will, babe, but I usually do one eye at a time, not half of one, and then...
I'm just saying, like, before you're done, you should do the other one as well. Yeah, that's kind of cool, I guess, if you like cool stuff. Your left eye has, like, a green hue, and your right eye has, like, a bronze hue. Just like...
That is really pretty, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it makes...
Did I do a good job?
Pop. It looks good. I like it. Very nice.
You see how much easier it is to apply like a liquid eyeshadow than a powdered one? No brushes, no mess.
I noticed
that. That's really cool, though.
Yeah.
It seems to dry really fast, too.
Okay, good. No smearing then?
Not really.
What about if you cry or something? Does it run down your face?
Probably, yes.
Want to put that to the test?
No, don't make me cry this day. You can make me cry tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, we have one more thing left. All right, last up is from Tarte. Wow, we got some good products in here.
What's Tarte?
Tarte Cosmetics.
Oh my goodness, Tarte Cosmetics.
They I have a couple of their eyeshadow
It's got like
palettes.
a sponge on the bottom or something.
It is a Shape Tape Glow Wand. Oh, I've never tried their Shape Tape.
Shape Tape.
In the shade, a light, not all right. So I think Jason with Boxycharm, I can tell them what skin tone I am.
Sure.
So like, obviously they wouldn't send this color to everybody, I would imagine.
What do you say? Whiter than the snow?
Yeah.
Send you stuff
would be me.
Like that?
4 ways to glow: over Shape Tape concealer, alone for no makeup magic, mixed with moisturizer and primer, or on high points of the face, collarbone, and your favorite word, décolletage.
Décolletage.
So that is what the packaging looks like. Do you think I turn this?
I don't know. It's supposed to like squeeze out through that sponge or something, like a big
yeah, but I don't know how to get it started.
kind of a thing. Maybe you do crank it. It looks like it went back in. Oh. Well, what's the bottom for? For smudging it afterwards?
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's cool. Obviously, I've never tried this before. Oh, actually, now you're supposed to like do this, and like this. But I've just messed it up now, so we're gonna be real.
You're gonna be smudging it with the other end though,
so that's good. Blending. So you dab, eh? Well, it's doing an okay job. In the corner there, in the corner of your eyeball there. Yeah, it's kind of thick in the.
This is nice, so you don't have to have like a beauty blender if you want to just put this in your purse.
Yeah.
Cause it's got a little sponge on
Up
the
in
end.
the right in the corner of your eyeball, you gotta blend it a little bit in there, right where. Yeah.
Probably a tough spot, I guess.
I'm also wearing a highlighter in there already.
okay.
Maybe that's what you're seeing. It blends in nicely. It does like nothing's gonna cover up these dark circles.
I think it helped though. I don't know.
Yeah. So let's see how much everything costs, Jason.
Okay, I'll do the count.
Let's pick our favorites first though.
Alright.
There's a lot of good stuff in here. I think the Ciate London eyeshadow just because it's cool.
And it looks really good on you. So that.
And all thanks, babe.
Yeah.
And then the Tarte Shape Tape. I think the facial scrub because I love a good facial scrub. And then these two probably are tied. The priming moisturizer and the primer. Let's see what we're valued at. So we have five. We have 5 things today in this box. So the Tarte Shape Tape Glow On, $27.
27.
The Hey Honey Come Clean Facial Scrub, $29.
Yeah.
First Day Beauty Priming Moisturizer, $30.
There you go.
The Ciate London Shadow Flip is $20.
Yeah.
And the Beauty Creations Hydrating Primer is $15.
Okay, for a grand total of $121.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
I think this has been a good box. This has been one of my favorite boxes, probably.
And you thought just because it was small.
I know. I'm sorry. Don't judge something by how small it is. But yeah, I was building myself up for disappointment, but I didn't have to. I apologize. Size doesn't matter.
That's right.
So yeah,
Keep that.
I'm excited to try this more and this eyeshadow more. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can hit like down below. You can click here to subscribe and view more videos, and there's also more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.